Of what Vishwadhan has been doing for the past 6 years. Before I start talking, we have a small video presentation which I'd like to present for you. So this gives them an added edge wherein they have a bit more experience when they get into the job market, and also, of course, pocket money. We gave scholarship for 4 students back in 2006, and for the current year, as on date, it's 46 now. A big number for us, but if you take the number of children in our society, in our country who need help, that's a very small number. So, as an initiative to reach out to a bit more number of students, we tried to conduct this event called Fun Fest. We have named it Fun Fest because the motto is education is for everyone, learning is fun. So we try to have this Fun Fest, especially in orphanages or government school. We try to go at some remote place where they don't have so much of facilities. We try to pick up such a place and have these contests for them where like quiz, damsharas, posters, creating craft out of waste, all such things, wherein they have fun and they also learn something new from us. And as a bonus, they get prizes, of course, for the winners, plus gifts to almost all children. No, I say all children, I won't say almost. It's all children. We try to encourage them, so we give something or the other for all the children, and of course prizes for the winners. And last year, as an extra added bonus, we took, but we can't forget the elders, because that's the reason we are here today. So we do our bit for the elders as well. We are sponsoring 12K worth of medicines at an old age home per year. We have been doing this almost for the past 5 years now. And apart from that, elders also need a day of fun, right? So we have created this new event called Eldo Fest, which we conduct for the elders at the old age home. It's a day of fun and entertainment for them. We have competitions for the elders, like singing or quiz, a movie quiz. Last year we had debate between the elders and our college students, where they had to discuss about the food habits of the older generation and current generation. And the topics were switched actually. The elders spoke about the current generation food habits, and very surprisingly, they had wonderful arguments and they won the prize. And our students were at loss of words. Yeah, that's the details about Eldo Fest. And of course, they also get prizes, and apart from the gifts that we give for everyone, like shawls or other utility items. And also we sponsor the food for them for that day. And for those of you who are tech savvy, we have our presence on the web as well. We have our website, vishwadhan.org, wherein we keep giving updates on our different events, activities, the photos. And one more special feature about our website I would like to point out is we provide the scholarship list over there. You don't have any link wherein you go and click and you are taken to a page where you have to donate. We are not doing that. Instead, we are giving a list of all our students who have been shortlisted, a brief detail about them, what they are doing, their course, class, their marks, the fee structure, how much we are sponsoring. We are trying to make it as transparent as possible, and it's been there for actually almost 4-5 years now, the website, where we keep updating that. And so as and when any donor gets interested in sponsoring a child, so they can look at that and then they can contact us. And for those of you who are interested in social networking sites, we have our presence on the Facebook. We have a page for Vishwadhan Educational and Charitable Trust, wherein we keep giving updates about achievements of our students. Like for example, Nandini, our student, has scored centum in 2 subjects. She's a BCom student. She scored centum in 2 subjects in the 5th semester, 98 in 1 subject. And apart from that, she has did self-study and completed inter and CA intermediate group. So all these kinds, and one of our old students who had come back to us, he was actually from a remote village in Kumbakonam, and now he is well settled. We helped him finish his diploma, and now he is well settled. He is working at Wipro and testing department. So those kind of updates we keep giving on our Facebook site. And apart from that, of course, we have our email, which is vishwadan@yahoo.co.in. So anyone willing to drop in a line or two, you will get response from us if you do give in that email. Yeah, finally, I would just like to say thank you, all of you, donors, members, volunteers, friends, and everyone present here. Thank you for believing in us and trusting us and supporting us for the past 6 years. And I'm sure, together we can do much more and reach out to many more students and many more elders across the country in the forthcoming years. So looking forward to your continued support. I take leave. And I would just like to run that video presentation, which consists of photographs of our activities which we have done so far in the past 6 years. Yeah, we can just